Hello everybody, this is Jack here with Jack Does Websites. Just wanted to make a quick tutorial here for everyone about how to create a Google My Business listing. This is one of the best, easiest, and freest ways to get yourself online for your service business as well as growing your online presence. So what we're going to first do here, I got an incognito up just so that everything will be as clean as it can be, just like it's going to be for you. So what you're just going to want to type in is Google My Business, and you can click just about any of these links, but it'll pop up right here. And so you're looking for google.com/business. You're gonna want to log in. See which one do I want to use here. Yep, password should be there, thank God. Type yes on my phone. Boom. Okay, so now we're here, and what you're gonna want to do is add a new location, add single location. And so it'll be a little bit different for you since you don't have any, but it'll be right there. You just want to add onto it, add your business to Google here. You're going to want to go with the business name. For this, this is my friends. Here, create a business, Log Masonry. Doesn't really matter, it's whatever your name is for it. What I really do recommend though is try to get whatever keyword you're using for your business in there. So he does masonry, I do pressure washing. Make sure you try to get that word in there because it does help out with Google and their algorithm. So what he does is masonry. It's real easy for him to find out what it is. But let's say you do something that's a little bit niche and you don't know exactly what you're doing. So for instance, I do web design as well. So what I would do is I would type in the keyword that I know what I am going to be providing to people, and then I would look here. This is my listing, but you look for web designer, web designer, web designer. Everybody was doing web designer. You can find out what is the most used one and the most typical. Do you want to add a location that can visit like a store office? I always recommend doing it even if it's your home address. This is a way that you can get ranked higher in these map packs, and it's an easier way to always be higher on your presence easier and earlier on. So that's really what I recommend. If you're afraid of somebody having your address, perfectly fine. You don't have to put it on there. You will still have to verify your address, but it'll be off. So like this person right here, they don't have that directions right here, so I rank a little bit higher than them just due to the proximity. So if anybody's in this area right here, most likely I'm going to pop up first and be at the top, even if my rankings aren't as high. So I always do recommend doing that if you can. I'm just going to put his address in. Okay, go next. You also want to serve outside of your location. So he does masonry. Obviously, he's serving people outside of his location. He has to go to their house. He does the masonry work there. So I put that there. If you're doing that, if you're online, you don't necessarily have to do it. I still almost always recommend it, but at the service area, at the areas you serve optional, okay? So what he's gonna do is he wants Clinton, Illinois. He wants Bloomington, Illinois. Normal, Illinois. These are the things that are important to him. As well, you can do it based upon county. You can find your counties here in Illinois and find out the ones that you're dealing with. So as well, what he's going to be looking at is DeWitt County in Illinois, and then McLean County, and then boom. That should be about it good enough right now. Put his phone number in. Obviously, you want a phone number on here. If you're using call tracking, feel free to do it then. He does not have a website yet, but he does need to get one, so we'll just put it in as this right now. It's not currently his website, but if you already have your website, feel free to just put that in there. And it's about done. What they do need to do is send you a postcard by the mail to the address that you're at. This is how they're going to claim it. Like I was saying before, you can turn the address off later on, but they do need to verify your location for it just to know that you're a human being. So what they're going to do is they're going to send you a postcard. I just threw mine away, and it's just going to have 5 digits on it, and then you're going to have to go back to this website and do it, okay? And then boom, just mail it out right there. That's the name, so it works out, and it's going to be here in about 5 days. Now you have a dashboard on here. And I'll be going into a couple other things that you're going to want to do to maximize your Google My Business. But this short video here in less than 5 minutes was just to get you set up and getting ready with it. If you do have any questions about this, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Also, please drop a subscribe and a like if you're enjoying this content. It really means a lot to me, and it also helps out with the algorithm. Another thing is, as well, I do a lot of website design. I work on SEO. I do basically everything online, and as well with helping people grow their business through service businesses. So feel free, if you have any questions as well, drop those down below. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll look forward to making the next video here, and it will be the next video about updating all this information, making sure that you're optimizing your Google My Business as much as possible so that you are found by as many people as possible. Hope to hear from you, and have a great day, y'all.